Hi everyone, today we're going to make some beautiful gum nuts out of stained glass. I've got this stained glass with the leaves, which is called Oscar. I'm using some pink candy floss sticks to make the gum nuts and also some iridescent pink. I've got some brown stained glass sticks which I'm going to use to create the little tiny branches. Right, so we'll get this one cut down a bit smaller. For our gum nut leaves, you can either draw these on or just freehand them. Okay, we're going to cut some little stems for our gum nut and leaves to go on. I've got a stained glass stick here. This is one of our ones called Fudge. So all I'm going to do is just cut it on an angle coming in, so I'm going to create slithers. Good idea to have a container to cut into, otherwise you spend half the time trying to find where they've gone. So I'll just show you roughly. So it's just biting your way down the glass stick, and that way you're getting a whole lot of different cuts is what you need. Okay, so just keep biting it down and we get a whole lot of crazy shapes, which is what we want for our stems. We just pick through the ones that we want. Let's start arranging our little stems in place. I like the way you've got these little crooked shapes too, it makes it look more natural. Right, I've got a bit of glass here. This one has got, it's pink, it has a little bit of yellow in there, which I think would be perfect for the top of my gum nuts. I really want to try and get this little bit of yellow out. So just cut a little strip from that. And create our gum nuts. So I want to just have a couple of squares to work from. So my first gum nut, I'm just going to take this square, I'm going to cut off these 2 points. And then I'm just going to soften those little points. just so I'm getting more of a rounded shape at the bottom. And this will be the start of our gum nut case. And I'm going to cut a little scoop out of there. So when I say a little scoop, it's just a matter of holding your cutter on an angle. And you want to get like a little scoop. So cutters on an angle. Okay, so now we're going to do our little hairy things that stick out the bottom. I don't know what they're called. Little cute things. So I'm using pink stained glass. Same thing again. What we've done with this one here, we're going to cut some fine ones. So just on the angle. And these I want to do a little bit finer, so I'm just really just nipping away ever so slightly. Same thing again, you get lots of crazy little shards, and then we're going to pick out our best ones we can find. Also, it's a good idea to glue this as you go, otherwise you won't be bumping it like I've been doing, but because I don't have a project for this at the moment, it's a little bit tricky, so just being very gentle. Right, so we're just going to start feathering them out. Right, so that's the start of it. We might put a couple of little plain gum nuts, so that's just the same idea. Might do a few sort of ones that haven't opened yet. So I'm just getting the square and taking the opposite corners off, and then taking the top one off. So square, taking these two corners off. And then the bottom one, and then I'm just going to soften these points. Middle, and maybe a couple of skinnier leaves. So I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Thanks guys.